Hi. Just got home. Another day, another package. I haven't had a chance to check. So, let's start first with... Ay! Pilik mata. Got a new set of lashes. Looking nice. Ang dami. I will show you guys kapag sinuot ko na yan siya. Ano pangalan? Okay. Ay, damo. Oh, this is nice. Is it padded? Sana padded. Ay, hindi padded, girl. So, wala ko pa rin mag-bra. Pero nga din tela. So, I got 3. So, I have the brown one. I have the blue one. And the black one. Sana tama yung size. Oh! Namili na ng size yun. Dati hindi namimili ng size yan. I think it fits. I think. Mahal ito yung yung gripo. Oh. Di ba, Antaray? May pampaganda, may damit, tapos may gripo. Ay, oh. Ito yung gripong umiikot-ikot, oy. Hindi siya stainless steel. Pero naikot siyang ganyan, oh. Oh, pack. Oh. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo pag nakakabit na. That is our holiday day. I'll see you guys sa next vlog. Bye!